What's going on, you guys? Welcome to my video. In today's video, I want to talk about how to grow a beard and how to grow it fast. Now, growing up, I only had a goatee. In middle school and in high school, I could only ever grow a goatee. And that changed once I got this. Boom. This is minoxidil. I'm sure you guys know what this is. If you guys search how to grow a beard on YouTube, first thing that will pop up, minoxidil. Most people use it. People originally used it for hair regrowth, usually on the crown area, receding hairlines, but people use it for their beard as well. And what you will do with this is you'll take a small amount and apply it on your beard area or anywhere you want to grow hair, and you'll apply it day and night. You want to leave it on for 3 hours, and you want to apply it for 6 months straight. You do not want to be off schedule. You want to apply it daily. And the thing is you want to use it for 6 months, because some people, they use it for 4 months and see 0 results. And then on the 5th month, they'll see results. So I would use it for 6 months to be, sure it works for you. And another thing to use it for 6 months is because when you're growing a beard and you see the hair growing and you like how the beard looks and you want to stop using it, your hair is going to be young hairs, which will be prone to falling out or shedding. People have a shedding phase when it comes to minoxidil, and it's because their hairs aren't adult vellus hairs, or terminal hair, sorry. Vellus is when they're young, young hairs. So once the hairs become terminal, adult hairs, which are just thicker hairs, you'll notice them because they're thick. And the vellus hairs are like the young hairs, they look kind of like peach fuzz. You want to use it for 6 months to make sure you're in that terminal phase so your hair stays and doesn't shed. Little side note, little warning with this thing. It also says that on minoxidil's warning page, you might feel heart palpitations. Now this is highly unlikely, but I do want to make sure you guys know this, that heart palpitations, which means your heart might skip a beat or beat irregularly. If you do feel that, I would stop using it altogether. Now we'll leave a link in the description of where to get minoxidil. It's relatively cheap. I think it's sub $30 for a 6-month supply. If you want to go the all natural route, I would use castor oil. Castor oil. What this is just some oil. It's Jamaican castor oil, which will help promote beard growth. It also helps promote your nail growth, eyebrow growth, skin, nails, all types of growth. So this is good to apply to your face or wherever you want to grow hair. And you actually want to use that oil in conjunction with this. Boom. This is a micro needle, which is just a bunch of small needles. And what this does is it helps with blood circulation. Blood will come to the surface of the skin because there's a lot of blood flowing there, and that will help with hair growth. A little side note again. If you guys can see, my lip is kind of inflamed. And that's because I was making a video the other day. I'll try to post the video right now. I was stung by a hornet on my lip, and it became super swollen. I mean, it's basically fine now, but it became super swollen when I was making a fucking video the other day. Pretty crazy. It was 8 in the morning. I did nothing. I was just making a video and I got stung by a hornet. So minoxidil, microneedling, using the oil. Make sure if you guys do microneedling, do not apply minoxidil right after. You don't want it makes tiny holes in your skin. Don't put minoxidil right over it because it'll burn and it might irritate the skin. But you could use the castor oil because it's natural. And not just castor oil, you could also use lavender oil, which also is good for hair growth, whichever you want. There's also rosemary oil. There's a bunch of types of oils that are good for hair growth. But black castor oil has been the best in my experience. I've used other oils. So minoxidil, microneedling, oils. You want to clean your face. You want to have a clean face. As men, we probably sweat. We go to the gym, we exercise, we play sports, whatever. We have an active lifestyle. You want to have clean skin. And what this does is it helps you look good, but it also helps the hair grow You know, if you have dirt and shit on your face, it's hard for that hair to grow because there's just stuff on the surface of the face. And you can wash your face with this. This is CeraVe. I've used maybe thousands of soaps and washes and shit. CeraVe has been the best. It doesn't irritate my skin. I usually have oily skin, and it's literally been the best. I use CeraVe face wash, CeraVe eye cream, CeraVe lotion, CeraVe everything basically. I'm not sponsored by CeraVe, but it's literally been the best in my experience. I'll leave a link down below to where you can get CeraVe as well. So have a clean face, which helps promote hair growth. Also have high testosterone levels. You know, testosterone is linked to hair growth and thick hair growth. You know, if somebody has a thick beard, they either probably have really good genetics or they have high testosterone levels. And to get higher testosterone, you just have to exercise, lift heavy weights, eat healthy, stay away from junk food, stay away from sugary drinks and sugary foods, stay away from like packaged foods. You know, go for the all natural route, eat greens and like high protein foods like meats, you know, drink a lot of water, go out in the sun, get vitamin D, supplement with vitamin D. You know, it's very healthy for testosterone and your overall health in general. But if you do all of these things all together, literally that's the best thing you can do for your hair growth, beard growth, and just for your overall health in general. And when you have a beard, make sure you get one of these bad boys. I had a beard for like 2 years and I never had a beard brush. Beard brush will literally change your life. And it's also really good for your beard hairs, you know. Makes it look a lot better and it makes your beard look a lot fuller. So if you guys have any other questions, comments, concerns, or if you have other tips for people viewing this video to grow your beard, leave it down below in the comment section. If you like this video, if you feel as if it helped you out, like the video and subscribe to this channel. I have a lot more content coming out. If you guys want to know how to like shape your beard and make your beard look fuller than it actually is, I can make a video on that. I can make a video on like skincare, men's skincare. But with that being said, guys, you know, good luck on your beard journey, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.